What the heck, Blizzard? I'm trying to get through here, and I can't because there is a wall, a pixelated wall, preventing me from going to the other side of this mountain. I can't get out. Again, pixelated wall. I've tried to jump, I've tried it all, and I can't get out.
Try to fly out.
I can't fly here. Every single time I try to get my thing up, it goes away. I can't.
I think you just found a glitch.
This is. I can't get out.
Hearth.
I can't. No, I'm not hearthing because I'm trying. I mean, that's really the only thing that I can do right now is Hearthstone.
See what I mean?
But I have come this far and I can't seem to get, because I was here, I was down here, and I made it all the way up here by flying, and I can't get out of this stupid little thing. If I hearth, I'm going to be back here.
Don't go there.
I'm trying to get here. Now, I understand that that's going to fatigue and all that. So, I mean, but come on, Blizzard, really?
Nice boy.
Please stop leaving. And this has happened multiple times during my journey, too. This is not the first time I've gotten stuck.
How did you get
Because,
out the other time?
because this guy right here that I'm going to try to spawn real quick. This guy. Him. Yeah. Actually, here, let me show you this way. I don't have a screen recorder, so I'm quite sorry for this. For the lack of steady hand. But, okay, so this guy here. Okay. He started to scream and stuff, and I didn't know why at first. And I tried to understand why, and I found out that we were trying to go through a pixelated wall. What the heck, Blizzard? What the heck? I can't even. This is so not even cool.
Death Raven.
Let me try to mount this.
Death Raven.
I fell in this stupid pit, and I can't get out.
Blizzard, you're stupid.
I'm not stupid. It's just I don't understand the need for your pixelated walls. Okay, I should be able to run from this place to another
In real life.
without having to run up against a wall. There is nothing there. I should not be running like this. Again, over here. There is nothing there. I can't even jump over it. Look at this. This is... Now I'm stuck even more. Like, I can't empathize this enough.
Okay, go more. Go.
Emphasize.
Go like you're...
Not empathize. Emphasize.
Go like you're gonna move.
I'm trying to get out, and I can't get out. What the heck?
Go.
Okay, stop making fun of my character, please.
I love that glitch. Yeah, you're gonna have the hearth.
This is ridiculous. Not cool, Blizzard. Not cool.
Idiots.